My name is Darya Dwivedi, and I'm a licensed real estate professional with the Parodi Team in Houston, Texas. I'm here to tell you 3 reasons why you should trust me to work with you on buying your new home. The first reason is because I use my vast real estate knowledge on a daily basis and stay up to date on current market trends and events. Put your mind at ease, knowing you're working with a realtor who is familiar with the area where you want to live. Second is my attention to detail. I will walk you through every step of the home buying process and ensure we don't miss over anything. The third and most important reason is because I strive for excellence and always put my clients' needs first. You'll never feel pressured by me. I'm solely a consultant here to help guide you through one of your most important purchases. I further recommend you search me up on Zillow with my name written below and read through my reviews yourself. You'll see the 5 stars across the board. Here at the Parodi Team, we strongly believe in our core values. We educate to empower, we train to excel, we always plan to succeed, and we develop long-lasting relationships. Please give me a call today and let's discuss getting you into your dream home at 832-629-1021. Thank you and look forward to talking to you soon.